Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Gray Zone Warfare game error. That is a network error occurred 0X0001000F error code failed to authenticate with the online services. So if you're getting this error in the Gray Zone Warfare game, then here what you can do to fix this problem. Now before performing any of the fixes, first check the server status of Gray Zone Warfare. You can check the X web page of the Gray Zone Warfare, or you can also check the subreddit of the Gray Zone Warfare game. So if you check this subreddit web page of the Gray Zone Warfare in the Reddit website, I will provide both the link in my video description. So when you are on this subreddit of Gray Zone Warfare in the Reddit website, scroll down and here you will see server maintenance, network errors 0X0001000F and 0X0001004. When you click on this, you will see that they have mentioned we are aware that some players are encountering network errors and we are actively investigating the issue. We apologize for the inconvenience. So you have to just wait for the server status to get back online and then you can check back later. In the meantime, you can follow these fixes. So the first fix is to untick IPv6. So in Windows search, type control panel and open it. Then click on view network status and task under network and internet. Then click on your connected Wi-Fi or internet and then click on properties. Now here if you see that internet protocol version 6 TCP/IPv6 is ticked marked, then untick it and then click on OK to save changes, and then you can go ahead launch the Gray Zone Warfare game and check if the problem is solved or not. This has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. Fix 2 is to restart your PC. So just restart your PC once, and after your PC restart, then you can go ahead launch the game and check. If that also doesn't work, then the last solution is to simply reinstall Gray Zone Warfare game. So simply uninstall Gray Zone Warfare game from your PC and then just restart your PC and then reinstall the Gray Zone Warfare game and then launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve network error occurred 0X0001000F error code failed to authenticate with the online services in Gray Zone Warfare game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.